At the age of 3, time doesn't exist. At the age of 18, time is a waiting game. At the age of 40, time goes in a blink. Time is not measured by a clock, but by moments. Moments last forever.
Oh, Eva, you look so pretty.
Where are you? I'm at the back of college and lesson starts in 4 minutes. I know, but I told you to hurry up. You know, we can't be late for the teacher who's warned us about this. Have you got your brief on you? Okay, well I need to borrow yours. Alright, see you in a minute.
Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. Time is priceless, but it's free. You can't own it, you can use it. You can spend it, but you can't keep it. Once you've lost it, you can never get it back.